Question is, prove that square root of ck minus 1 divided by ck plus 1 plus square root of ck plus 1 divided by ck minus 1 is equal to 2 cosec A. So LHS is equal to square root of sec A minus 1 divided by ck plus 1 plus square root of sec A plus 1 divided by ck minus 1. In this term, first term, we will multiply both numerator and denominator by ck minus 1. That is square root of ck minus 1 into ck minus 1 whole divided by sec A plus 1 into sec A minus 1 plus in the second term you will divide both the terms by ck plus 1, that is ck plus 1 into ck plus 1 the whole divided by sec A minus 1 into sec A plus 1. Why we are using this? We need to remove the square root. Here it's square root of numerator. It is ck minus 1 the whole square divided by, here it is a square minus a plus b into a minus b form, that is a square minus b square, that is equal to 6 square a minus 1 plus here it is sec a plus 1 the whole square, the same a plus b into a minus b, that is 6 square a minus 1. We know that 6 square a minus 1 is equal to tan square a. So substitute the values here. We will get square root of ck minus 1 the whole square divided by tan square a plus square root of ck plus 1 the whole square divided by tan square a. Now here both sides are squares, numerator and denominator are squares, both the terms. So we can write ck minus 1 divided by tan a plus ck plus 1 divided by tan a. Now solving this, we'll take tan a as common denominator. Sec a minus 1 plus ck plus 1, that's equal to this cancel 2 sec a divided by tan a. We can write this as 2 sec a into cot a, that is 1 by tan a is cot a. So we know that 1 by sec is 1 by cos a and cot a is cos a divided by sine a. So the cos a and cos a will cancel. We will get 2 into 1 by sine a. Also we know that 1 by sine a is cosec a, that is 2 into cosec a, that's equal to 2 cosec a, which is equal to right hand side. Hence the proof. That's all in this video, dear children. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video.
Need 100 by 100 in Maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi Guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for Class 10 and 12. Need 100 by 100 in Maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi Guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for Class 10 and 12.